Hey, Brandon. What are you doing, buddy? You off today? Excuse me. Today, I'm going to make a watermelon wreath out of the box. What I mean by that is it's different than anybody's made. See? And that, it's a plate. It's just a plastic plate that I put on the frame. And we're going to decorate around it and see how that works. It's different, but I think it'll be cute. Little out of the ordinary. That's okay too. Let's see. Hold on here. I'm trying to set up my mini chat. Hi, Alyssa. How are you? Be done here in 1 second, guys. Okay, hold on 1 second. Something's not working here. I don't know if my mini chat's going to work today or not. Okay, it says it's active, so I guess we're okay. Hey, Alyssa. I'm sorry, you guys, I haven't been on. I've been working a lot of hours this week, and I just been wore out when I got home. Allergies are bad this time of year. I'm telling you what. Thank God I'm on allergy pills. I stay on them year-round, 24/7. Almost done here, guys. Okay. Alright, I think we're good. Let me cut these off, these comments, and I'll be right back. Hold, please. Okay. Alright, I think I'm ready now, y'all. How is everybody? Oh, did you really, Alyssa? I hope it helped you some. Hey, English. Hey, Kristen. Yeah, what I'm making a watermelon wreath. But I wanted to make something different, and y'all know I like to make wreaths that are kind of out of the box. Not ordinary, but anyway. Sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. So this is what I've done. This here, it's just a plate. It's a plastic plate I got at the Dollar General store. I think it was $2. And what I thought I would do, I was going to use the cable mounts to stick on here to hold my pipe cleaners. But I didn't think that the mounts would work because the plate's kind of curved. And I didn't think those flat mounts would hold. So what I did was I took 3 pipe cleaners, cut them in half. I've used hot glue on every one of these. I put the pipe cleaners on, and they're glued down. And just to give it some extra stability, I went on the back. I got another one here somewhere. There it is. I took 2 pipe cleaners. They were just 2 regular pipe cleaners. And I put them together, twisted them, and tied them together to make it strong and long. And what I've done is strung them across the back. I'm going to put this one on as well. And what that's going to do is give it some extra stability to hold the plate in place. Of course, when I finish, I'm going to put a cover over this so you won't see this. There'll just be a cover over it. So I'm going to add this one. This is the first thing I'm going to do. And I just take it. Doesn't have to be perfect or any rhyme or reason. I'm just going to take it. It is